Hi everyone! In this video we're going to open the Little Mermaid set. We have Ariel and Sisters. So in these are water toys. They do swim. They have a windup in the back so they can swim. I got this set at Disney store. And also this cute lunch bag. It's also with Ariel and it has surprises, and it has some surprises at the bottom. So first let's open this mermaid set, and then we're gonna open the other surprises. Here they are. Ariel and her other sister. Look at them, they're so cute. They all have different hair color. The black hair color, red hair color, and blonde hair color. Awesome. So let's see, how do they move? Okay, so you can't move arms. They're pretty much stuck like that. You can't move body. You can turn the head. So this is the tail, and you gotta twist this little knob. It's like a seashell shape. Oh, look. They're cute. I hope you can see the box actually. Oh, look, look, look. The box sparkles. So cute. I might keep the box as just like a showcase for them. And look here. It's an underwater scene. Check it out. Corals and water and bubbles. So cute. So let's see what surprises we got in the little lunch bag. This lunch bag, so it's from Disney store, and it has a few pockets. Okay, so it has two handles, and it has this pocket. It has this one with like a mesh thingy, and it has the bottom pocket. Whoops! I just revealed a secret. Where are my blind boxes hidden? So, okay. I have this Disney figural key rings. Look at this characters. There's Anna, Elsa, and Olaf. Oh, look. So these are the possible characters that you can get. So you can get Elsa, Anna, Olaf, Stitch, Evil Queen, Jack, Sally, Pooh, or Maleficent. So I have 3 boxes. For some reason I just thought I'll get one of these 3, so I kind of like want to get Anna, Elsa, and Olaf. But then when I looked at the back, I'm like, I like Stitch too, and I like Maleficent. I don't know. Let's see. Here it comes. Oh, yay! I got Elsa. Oh, wow. It feels great. So there's a little like a extra blue color on the edge, but that's fine. Everything else is great. Oh, awesome. Awesome. D-dorable. Oopsie. Okay, you lay down. So I have 2 more boxes to open, and then we'll see the mermaid swimming. Okay, so are you ready? Okay. Oh, is it Maleficent? Oh, yay! Maleficent. Do-do-do. Look at it. Look at the little details, and look at the birds. Oh. Cool. Maleficent. Okay, now in my third box, I just really want Olaf or Stitch, or maybe Anna too. Okay, Olaf, Stitch, or Anna. Let's see. It's Anna! Yay! I'm just super happy. Oh my gosh, look! Oh wow! Check it out! I think Anna is way better done than Elsa. Just look at the braids. They look awesome. Well, Elsa looks good too, but I think Anna's dress is a little better, and the braids. Awesome. I got two sisters. And here's the back. Oh look, Anna has even her feet painted here. We got Maleficent, Elsa, and Anna. That's awesome. We got some water in the bathtub. Hey, let's get the little mermaids to swim. Ariel is gonna go swim first. It's cute. It doesn't move a lot though. Are you ready, Ariel? Let's swim again. Let's get her sisters to swim. Okay. Go. All three together. Okay, let's give them a shower. We got this cutie little shower head. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Also, make sure to subscribe if you want to see a lot more videos with Little Mermaid and surprises and other Disney toys. Bye!